Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, but not in this bar. All we have to do is to simply unroll the additional bar here, and as you can see on the second position, we've got the timer, and we've got 3 different options from which you can choose. Currently the timer is off. As you can see, this clock icon is highlighted in this yellowish color, but we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. I will pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately highlighted. What's more, in the shutter button you've got the exact countdown. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. And of course it will work the same with 3 seconds delay, but obviously it will count down from 3. So if you want to turn off the timer, what I just did, just tap on this icon, which was activated at the very beginning of the video, and as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.